first, before starting doing the pump replacement, just turn the pump off. So we have no power. You can unplug it also. I have a little box. You can take it off, you know, like unplug it, and then you can start doing that. This is the new pump for replacement on the Intex hot top. So we need to take this 1, 2, 3 screws out. Took those 3 screws out. We need to take the connector out, which you can use with this. Just screw it out. So it is out. Now we have another one here. So we have to take this off. Make sure when you will be taking that off, there is a little seal which that has to be there, right? Don't take this off. This is the old one, this is the new one, so we just need to take this off and put it on the new one. We have that new pump already with this connector, so just put it up in here. Make sure these 3 gums is there. You can use even the gums from the old pump, yeah. And it needs to be tied here. Yeah, so tie this out. Okay, and place the connector. Look on that connector, this little pin there, which we also have here, little pin. Make sure that pin go really in here. Has to be completely in. A little tricky, but it could be done easy. Now also we need to tie this and this with the key, or you can do it even with the hands. Just make sure it's tight. If you don't have this attachment, because that's usually come with the replacing pump, you can use a screwdriver. You can use a flat screwdriver too. I was using that before, but like sometimes it's stuck. The stuck is because that's the problem with the pump. It's overheat this place, and it could be stuck. So the best thing is use this part to tie it out. Yeah. Both of them. We're gonna put the cover back on it. Okay, now we replace the pump. The reason the pump get broke could be actually a couple of the reasons. One of the reason is the filter should be changed at least 1 a month for new one, because like the pump is doing hard work. I recommend to wash it every week, and so that's why the pump, for example, here you can see a little bubble, 3 bubbles, but I'm not saying that's the problem, but like it usually overheat. Yeah, you can also see like damage on this, because I was trying to get it out, I couldn't because it was stuck. Yeah, normally go easy out. So mostly the reason is like that, you know, like or could be the water, like could be too hard, you can hear noise, so you know the propeller get damaged or something like that. So I recommend to just replace it for a new one, and your hot tub will be working. I'm gonna show you how it's supposed to sound when it's fixed. Back in, you can just put it back in by aligning these 3 pipes. Yeah, my one is a little bit leaking, but you can do it 2 ways. You can close it with these cups or empty the jacuzzi. My one need to be empty, but like I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, so just make sure this come through, and this seal is there. 2 seals and 1 tray. Yeah, sometimes even the pump get damaged because of this pipe could be like that, you know, so make sure this is straight. This is straight. I mean, I have a couple of spare seals, you see. Make sure this is hand tight, don't go too tight, like, yeah, go a little bit back, because if it's leaking you can always tidy it up, but like just go hand tight. Yeah, go to the end, little bit back. Okay, also that one. So ready to turn it on. Actually it's not, I have to take these two things out. Make sure the water running in. Yeah. On, and for example, press the filtration. I see a couple bubbles going out, but the pump is running now. Leave it running without filter for a couple minutes, then you can put the filter in. That's it, job done. Well done.